Good morning, Stephanie Kammerman, the Stock Whisperer, here to tell you the whisper of the day. But before we get to today's, we got to talk about yesterday's. Holy cow, I had a lot of whispers. It's a fantastic day. The first one was Nuon, if you recall. We spotted those prints at 14.77. First target was 15. It hit that very nicely, came back down again. So we're going to watch this 15 level. If she can break above 15, all right, there's a great trade to about 15.12, 15.25, and possibly 15.50, but she's got to break up through that 15 level. The next stock we were watching was Ego. We love this stock because we spotted the biggest prints ever on this. I showed you those yesterday, $3.36. This thing popped all the way. It's still going to 370, 375. My traders and I were rocking this along with GDX. This was fantastic. If you recall, we were bullish above 28 with a target of a 28.75, 29 level. And you can see she's still going, still watching this. However, I did take some profit off the table yesterday, still holding part of my position, but I'm watching the 28.50 level today because we did spot some price action there this morning. So as long as it stays above 28.50, going to be bullish. But if it can't hold that after the first 10-15 minutes, then we could see a retracement. So definitely watch that level. Also, natural gas, we were bearish on this yesterday. And we were bearish below 8.12 with a first target of 8, which it hit. If she breaks below 8 again today, all right, there's another trade down to about 7.80, but we could have a retracement back up to this 4.8 EMA level. So that 8 is really important. But look at the volume. Not that much volume today. Yesterday it had volume. Volume is the key. So probably we'll move on to some other stocks today. And also, we were watching TBD. I pointed out the $30.65 level on this. And you can see, as soon as the market opened up, it came all the way down and hit that level and did take a little bounce there, but look at that. Can no longer hit that. That means those buyers are no longer there, and we're going to be bearish below 30.65 on TBT. So my traders were killing it yesterday. It's too hard for me to pick the trade of the day, so now I have the trader of the day picking the next trader of the day. So Ron picked Leslie, aka the Golden Glider Girl. Yeah, she was killing me yesterday, especially on silver. Nice trading on the silver stocks, Leslie. Fantastic. All right, so what are we watching today? Well, you guys, I saw some crazy prints yesterday. I got to bring them to your attention. We spotted some very big prints, about 900,000 shares. Well, look at the volume yesterday on USDU. This is the dollar ETF. And the prints were at $25.97. So it's going to have a pretty big shake, right? When we get prints like this, and then stock doesn't normally trade this much volume, it's going to have some wiggle room here. So we're going to be bullish above 26, and I'm going to be bearish below 25.90 on this. Keep your eye on the dollar. The dollar is definitely going to make a move off somebody knows something, as always, right? But we've even spotted some crazy prints on the bank stocks. Wells Fargo. We don't normally get such big prints, but we got a, let's see, I wrote this down, a 2.6 million print at 49.84. All right, so we got it kind of close to the end of the day, so it's really hard to tell if it's smart money buying or selling, but watch the 50 level to the upside. That's a big level. And watch 49.68 75 to the short side. If we break below there, right, we'll definitely put on a short trade. If we close above 50, I'm going to go long, all right? So that's going to be the trade. But not just Wells Fargo. We spotted prints on JP Morgan as well. And the prints we spotted 1.8 million at 67.26. And you can see we're trading right there. So I'm going to draw a line. And I'm going to use the 67 level. That's a pretty big level. If we break below there, I'm going to go short. If we break above 67.50, 67.5, I'm going to go long on this. But it's definitely something is going on. These guys are going to have a pretty big movement. We also spotted some big prints on XLF as well at 24.40 yesterday. I drew this line. So keep your eye, all right, on this 24.40 line. And let's see what else. Oh, AKS. Steel was hot yesterday, right? You guys trading that? Oh, yeah. We were trading this. And we spotted some really big prints at $4.62. 2 million. Look at the volume that came in. All right, so we're going to draw a line. It hit my first target yesterday at about 475. As long as it stays above 462, going to be bullish. And as long as it can break above 475, there'll be a lot more room to go, 525 and such, but keep your eye on that level. And also MT, another steel stock. This guy had huge prints at 625 as well, and they're still coming in. You can see here on the block trade indicator. So bullish above, bearish below. No thinking, come watch me trade these stocks and so many more at the Java Pit Trading at www.thestockwhisper.com. Happy trading, everybody.